Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are here with the winning coach, Coach George Gallant, and best player of the game, Junmar Fajardo. Coach, I'll start with you. Coach, great bounce-back win against Terra Firma to advance to the semifinals. What did you like most about how you guys responded on both ends of the floor, especially after a tight first half?
Well, of course, our energy. We came out in the start of the game and we pressured a lot, and we let them bring them out of their comfort zone. So the energy and the discipline on defense today really worked.
Coach, also, Terrence Romeo provided a huge lift off the bench. How satisfying is it for you to see him play at a high level once again after overcoming so many injuries and now that you're in the semis?
Terrence is a great player. He's offensively and defensively. So, he played well today, both sides. He played well on offense and he played well on defense today. So, give all credit to him because he just came out playing now. He played, it's like it was the old Terrence now.
Thank you, Coach. Junmar, huge double-double performance. Dikit lang yung laro ng first half. Ano sa tingin mo yung naging susi para makalayo kayo in the third quarter?
Una, papasalamat kami kagad na walang seryosong na saktan sa game na to. And then, siguro yung execution namin ng plays no second half. And then yung depensa namin mas pa namin tinasan pa namin. So ayun siguro yung kaibahan ng first half and then first quarter at second half. So
Junmar, kasama sa game plan ng Terra Firma is ilabas ka sa paint. Gaano kahirap bantayan, particularly si Isaac Go na nakakashoot sa labas? Paano mo pinaghandaan yun matchup na to?
Mahirap talaga kasi shooter talaga si Kuya Isaac. And thankful ako sa mga coach ko, sa mga teammates ko. Alam nila na nahihirapan ako sa depensa. So, napoprovide sila ng help. So, yun yung adjustment namin. So, yun yung ginawa namin today. And then, nakuha namin yung panalong to. So, credit pala sa Terra Firma. Sobrang ganda nung nilaro nila throughout this conference. Especially sa quarters. So, kudos sa kanila. And then, credit din sa mga teammates ko. Nag-step up lahat. And then, sa mga coaching staff. And then,